of India, within the melancholy 200 years of struggle for independence, among the citizens of India, we now stay waiting for the hope of freedom and peace. Yes, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, about the world celebrate the freedom fighters' birthday anniversary on 2nd October. And the day is also observed as the International Non-Violence Day. On the other side, we are celebrating Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti as Peace Day. Lal Bahadur Shastri, a popular name in Indian history, and the quest for India's independence in the British Raj. Lal Bahadur Shastri is one of the legends who led India to its freedom and actively participated in India's fight for freedom and served the country ever the
a candle will light can only the darkness to far out west. So before starting the ceremony, we would like to request our educational advisor, Mr. Manoj Kumar Madrasa, Secretary Ma'am Mrs. Madhumita Bhattana, Principal Ma'am Mrs. Saurabhalakshmi Mandira, and Vice Principal Ma'am Mrs. Puspanjali Pandaram to lighten the lamp and allow us to start the program with full the light. So please, ma'am, please.
ब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहम् दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तु ते
So the celebration of his birth anniversary would seem entirely incomplete if we did not sing along his signature song Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram Patita Pavana Sitaram. So I would like to request some of our teachers to sing this beautiful mass prayer which will definitely thrill us. And they are Guru Niyamati Oza, Nandita Ma'am, Suchitra Ma'am, Manju Ma'am, Vandana Ma'am, Subrahmanya Ma'am, Santosh Sir, Subrajit Sir, Nivedita Ma'am, and Sarika Ma'am.
One eye for an eye always ends up making the whole world blind. From this, a very glorious morning to everyone. This side, Shikruti of 10th grade, hereby addressing on the topic Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd of October every year, India celebrates Gandhi Jayanti with pride to commemorate the birth anniversary of great freedom fighter Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was the one with high merits and an individual with high wisdom. He was the one who was a firm believer of the path of truth and non-violence. He has given a lot of contributions for our country to bring freedom to our country. Not only in our country, but also he has given his contributions for bringing independence all over the globe. Let us consider the case of South Africa, where racial government was practiced and the people of India who were residing there were also discriminated. But he has actively participated in many freedom movements and struggles for bringing the equal opportunities they wished for in their country. And he was also successful there. Not only that, but also he has given innumerable sacrifices in our country, starting from the Salt March or practicing civil disobedience movement. So we should also try learning something from him, and we should also push ourselves right back to give something to our country and to do something for our country. Not only this, we should try to get our courage together, to get our unity together to do something for our country, so that we can proudly say that our country is developed. That is what he wished for. Now let's try to make his dream fulfilled. With this, here I wind up, and I will like to wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you and be proud as you are an Indian.
खादी मेरी शान है, कर्म ही मेरी पूजा है, सच ही मेरा कर्म है और हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान है। इसी के साथ में श्रद्धांजलि बारी 10वीं कक्षा की छात्री आज मैं आपके सामने गांधी जयंती के ऊपर कुछ व्यक्त करने जा रही हूँ। 2 अक्टूबर 1869 गुजरात के पोरबंद गांव में गांधी जी का जन्म हुआ था। गांधी जी के पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी और माता का नाम फूलबाई देवी था। गांधी जी हमेशा अहिंसा के रास्ते पर चलते थे और दूसरों से यही आशा करते कि वे भी अहिंसा के रास्ते पर चले। गांधी जी से अंग्रेज बड़ा ही डरा करते थे। आज़ादी में गांधी जी के योगदान की वजह से गांधी जी को एक बड़ा ही महत्वपूर्ण ओहदा दिया गया था, राष्ट्रपिता का ओहदा। वे एक बड़ा ही सरल जीवन जीते थे, चरखा से सूत बनाते और उसी सूत के धागे से धोती पहना करते थे। कमजोर कभी क्षमा नहीं मांगते, क्षमा करना तो महान व्यक्ति का विशेषता है। गांधी जयंती की तरह इस दिन लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जयंती भी देश भर के विद्यालय, कार्यालय और कॉलेज में मनाया जाता है। लोग एक और गांधी जी का वेशभूष धारण करके आते हैं, तो दूसरी ओर कई लोग लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी का भी वेशभूष धारण करके उनका एक बड़ा ही प्यारा नारा जय जवान जय किसान कहते हुए आते हैं। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी देश के एक बड़े ही सच्चे व्यक्ति थे जिन्होंने स्वतंत्र भारत के दूसरे प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में काम किया था। वे एक बड़े ही सच्चे और महत्वपूर्ण नेताओं में से एक थे। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1904 वाराणसी के समीप मुगल सराय में हुआ था। इस दिन हम भारतीयों के लिए बड़ा ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है क्योंकि इस दिन भारत में 2 महान व्यक्तियों का जन्म हुआ था जिन्होंने भारत के विकास और भारत की आज़ादी के लिए अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया था। इसीलिए इस दिन भारतीयों के लिए दोहरे उत्सव का दिन है। इसी के साथ धन्यवाद।
अहिंसा का पुजारी, सत्य की राह दिखाने वाला, इरमान का पाठ पढ़ा गया हमें वो बापू लाठी वाला। With this, a very charming morning to everyone. This side Santa Shri Mishra of Standard 10A belongs to Vivekanand House, going to express my thoughts on Gandhi Jayanti, which is the most adorable day for all our Indians. Because it is the birth date of none other than our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. He was very fond of education that his books and his lessons were his sole companions. He completed his early studies in British-ruled India and went on to pursue his higher studies in England. In 1915, he returned to India and became a part of Indian freedom struggle. Just after 2 years of his return, he led the Champaran Satyagraha, which was the landmark movement of Indian freedom struggle. He further led many important movements like non-cooperation movement in 1920, Salt Satyagraha or the Dandi March in 1930, and the most important one, that is the Quit India movement in 1942. He also worked towards the Hindu-Muslim unity during the partition of India. He once said, "I have nothing new to teach the world. Truth and non-violence are as old as hills." Not only in the field of independence he showed us the right path, but also in the field of education and resource conservation he guided us a lot. He always viewed education as an all-round development, not just as literacy. He stressed on whole development of a child, not just the mind. Once he said, "What is really needed to make democracy function is not the knowledge of facts, but the right to education." We need to be the change what we wish to see in the world. He had written 2 important books, that is, The Story of My Experiments with Truth, and the other one is The Young India, which shows us numerous paths to choose for our success and for our country's development. On 30th January 1948, Nathuram Godse assassinated him. However, his teachings and ideology are immortal. His life is an inspiration to the people all around the world because he himself said, "My life is my message." At last, before signing up, I want to say the most important thing, that is, at the Quint, we are answerable only to our audience. Play an active role in making or shaping our journalism by becoming a member because truth is worth it. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of the nation, an individual with high merit and a man with high wisdom. Such was his wisdom that influenced the people of the whole world, and a firm believer of non-violence and truth. With this, a very good morning and a very happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. This is Vakya Afreen of Grade 10, and today I will be speaking about the greatest man of all times, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of the man who led the fight for freedom with non-violence, Mahatma Gandhi. His birth anniversary is of great significance not only in India but in other countries as well. His contribution for the lives of the Indian people is undebatable, and we Indians are truly indebted for his sacrifices for making the country free that we reside in today. He struggled through many years to make it possible for Indians to gain independence from the loss of the British rules. It was the outcome of his struggle that India gained independence. He made it possible not with violence or force, but with the message of peace. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to inspire the people of India and their intrinsic value of no violation against any living being. Life of Mahatma Gandhi is a lesson to incorporate, learn and practice every day. I believe his words and life will always make you inspire and will never fail to influence you and make you carry his wisdom all along through. That's all. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Now request Ms. Brahmata Naik to speak 3 lines on this auspicious occasion. Ma'am, please.
Good morning everyone and all friends over here. I am Ms. Ramata Naik, standing on the stairs to speak few lines about this auspicious day. Today, all the Indians are celebrating 158th birth anniversary of our respected Bapu as well as 170th birth anniversary of second Prime Minister of Independent India. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of India's independence movement and was popular for his non-violence means. He became an active part of the Indian freedom struggle in early 20th century. Many important movements of resistance against the British colonial rule like non-cooperation movement, Salt March, Fight India movement, etc. were led by him. The greatest tribute we can give our great leader is to practice non-violence and to love every woman irrespective of caste and creed. According to Shastri, discipline and united actions are the real sources of strength for nation. We believe in peace and peaceful development, not only for ourselves but also for the people of all over the world. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to request distinguished Mr. Manasur Shah to address the gathering and give his vision input to us. So please.
On behalf of this school, I will pay a very rich tribute to the great souls, two great souls of our country, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. I'd like to say the distinct characteristics of these two great souls. Both were believers of non-violence, let us say, but Shastri believes in making the country strong by its army as well as self-sufficient with food. His popular slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, was initiated in the year 60s and it is still famous. Compared to him, Gandhiji was a strong practitioner of non-violence, believer of non-violence. But if we look back into the history, the non-violence attitude of India, the then Bharat, has pushed us back to the present territory which we call Hindustan. From Afghanistan to Kashmir, and that too not the full part of Kashmir, rather a part of Kashmir. The entire region was under the rulers of India at different times. The Hinduism, the Sanatana Dharma spread all across the world and strongly up to Hindu Kush, which you these days call Amrata Palace Fort. That region was entirely dominated by Hindus. They were following Sanatana Dharma. Rather, Sanatana Dharma is not a, as you know, I did not speak much about it. It's a way of life. But see, we have never attacked any country or occupied any territory. But we have given up our territories and scrutiny to the present state. See, violence, non-violence both should be there, but history will not remember the weakest person. History always will remember, salute the strongest person of the world. If you have power, history will salute you. If you don't, history will forget you. That doesn't mean that I, in particular, doesn't believe non-violence or I condemn non-violence. But at the same time, you have to be strong. You have to make your country strong, rich, and powerful. With these words, I once again pay a rich tribute to the great souls of Indian freedom struggle. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Thank you so much.
So we can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attitude of the strong. With this inspiring quote of Mahatma Gandhi, I would like to request our respected teachers to sing another favorite song of Mahatma Gandhi. Please.
Thank you all. Now, I would like to request Subrata ma'am to convey the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am. A delightful morning to everyone present over here. On behalf of all, I deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose a vote of gratitude for being with us on this day and making us feel proud and more than ever your love for us. First, I offer my sincere thanks to the Almighty for His gratitude and countless blessings for us. I would like to thank our educational advisor, Sir, Mr. Manoj Kumar Bhadra, for your gracious appreciation, your guiding words, and inspirational thoughts. I would like to thank our Secretary Ma'am, Mrs. Madhumita Bhadra, for her selfless cooperation. I would like to thank our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Subhadra Lakshmi Mahanti, and Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Puspanjali Panda, and all the teachers for whose cooperation, Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti celebration come to an end with grand success. I would also give my thanks to the decoration team, the anchors, and the sound team for making this day successful. Special thanks to the staff, those who unknowingly and unknowingly cooperated us to organize the observation nicely. And lastly, I thank our lovely children for their cooperation. Once again, I thank everyone present over here for this beautiful morning. Thank you, and I wish you a great day ahead. Thanks.
Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. On Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti, let's pay our tribute to the Messiahs of non-violence and peace, take leadership in creating better quality in India to build a best nation, that is India. With this, I end my say. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you all.